This is a short demo of this add-on, which generates a bulk QR codes from Google Sheet data. Let's see how it works. So user clicks on extension, then goes to bulk QR code generator add-on and clicks on the open QR generator menu. It will ask for authorization. When they click on accept, it asks to select the Google account. After selecting Google account, now this is submitted for verification, hence it is saying Google hasn't verified this add-on, but soon it will get verified. So I click on advanced, go to bulk QR generator, and now these are the scopes which this add-on is requesting a permission on. First one is your Google Drive, seeing, editing, and creating files. So why this scope is required is generated QR codes will be stored in your Google Drive in QR code folder. So it will need write and read permissions. Then it has also a feature to generate QR code and store on Google Docs. Hence, it needs Google Docs permission. It also needs Google Sheet permissions because it reads data from Google Sheet. And then once QR code is generated, it writes it back again in the Google Sheet. Now, connect to external service. This calls an backend API to generate the QR, and this is for the HTML sidebar that we are seeing. I'm selecting all scopes, continue, and now it opens a sidebar. Okay, now here what you can, so now suppose these are my, I want to generate Google Map QR codes, my store location QR codes. What I need to do is here I'll just select geographic locations as the QR type, and then I can select a range. So first I need to select a range like this and click on select. So it pulls that data range here in the cell. Then you select latitude. So latitude is in column B, longitude is in column C, and location name is in column A. And output column, you can decide where to store, store the generated QR code. Here I'm selecting next empty column so that it will store it in column E. And I'll click on generate QR codes. Now it is generating QR codes and it is storing it in column E, as you see here. So this is how you can generate thousands of QR codes from Google Sheet with just single click. All right. So it generated all the QR codes. Now, if you look at the settings, you have option to select whether you want a large, medium, or small size of the add-on. Sorry, QR code. Now, when you click on the QR code, it actually gives you a hyperlink to your Google Drive file. So if you click here, you can see the large QR code that is generated, and also the location for this is this QR code folder. So if I open this, it has all QR codes generated and stored here. Even it generates a QR code and stores in Google Docs. So that's why we need Google Drive permission also. Then you can select a folder name also here. If you want to rename it to something else, you can rename it, and it will find this folder, or if it doesn't find, then it will automatically create this folder in your drive and will start storing QR codes there. I hope this is helpful for your business. Thank you so much.